QSC 925 Field Assembly Optical Connector Operation Tutorial. QSC 925 Fast Connector Preparation. Take out the boot. For 0.25 mm cable, need a tube. Pull out the hoop, insert the tube in the connector, push on the hoop. Penetrate the fiber optic cable into the boot. Strip the cable and the length of the bare fiber should be 40 mm. Check the fiber if damaged. Clean the fiber. The fiber should be put into the groove. Length of the bare fiber is 11.5 mm for 0.9 mm coating fiber and 7.5 mm for 0.25 mm. Take out the fiber carefully. Insert the prepared fiber into the connector. After insertion, push on the hoop by the way and fix the cable. Push on the boot and take out the key. Push on the shell and finish the job. QSC 925 Field Assembly Optical Connector Reopen Operation Tutorial. Pull out the box shell and put on the key. Take out the boot and pull back the hoop to the end. Pull out the fiber and finish the job.